Right, this disco is known as the horse one, the horse disco. It's completely stock and it is MOT time. Just by driving it, I know it needs 2 rear shock absorbers, driver side's knock-in, so you might as well put 2 in it. And this does some work, this thing. Doesn't do some work as in driving up hills on the governor, having the nuts revved off of it. It does work as in being filled with logs, hay, towing trailers with logs and hay on them, going up and down muddy trucks. And nothing says horse wagon than baling twine holding stuff together. So obviously going to fix that problem for her. Now, long story short, I met the lady that owns this one, went and bought this one with the lady. We're pretty good friends because we did some stuff in my blue one and she decided that she needed one. So here's another good friend that I've made through Land Rovers. Have a quick look under the bonnet. Still got all its EGR and everything on it, not being deleted, which isn't a good thing, but it's still on there. And the body shell on this one, inner arches, still got the stickers on them. The guy before the guy we bought it off of owned it for 18 years and just used it for family stuff. So all in there, you can't really see on the camera, but all under the headlights are clean. Another thing I think's cool, because I'm sad, is it's still got these plastic arch liners in it, which this is the only disco, I've been around like hundreds of them, I've ever seen them in. It's also got the full disco mats. Standard seat diaphragm has gone, so we've got added cushions. We've got the rear mats and the mat in the boot, all with the Discovery logo on them. Now I've got to go take the dog out for a walk before I put this in the garage. I was going to put her in the back and drive this over the field, but guess what? Back door no longer has decided not to be a back door anymore, so that's another thing I've got to fix. But yeah, standard old Land Rover Discovery, roof lining's gone because the sunroof leaked, or sunroof's leaked, it's got 2. But it's all pretty stock. Changed the stereo. Do still have the original Land Rover stereo for it, but all the buttons had fallen off of it or been eaten by someone's dog, I don't know. So yeah, we'll get this in the, well, I'll take the dog for a walk, then I'll get this into the garage, get it up in the air, not obviously up in the air like on a ramp, but get it up in the air on axle stands and have a look underneath it. At the minute, it's running a bottle of Diesel Magic in it, and I've took it for a sprintly drive and blew a load of black crap out the back because the lady that owns it doesn't drive it hard, she just poodles about in it. So it needs a good run occasionally, especially during it before MOT, just to get it through the emissions. But yeah, it's all pretty good there and there. Bodywork's pretty straight on it. Standard disc door, there you go. Considering it's a work vehicle now, I think you'll agree it is straight. Oh, still got the disco roof bars on it as well. No rust around the lights. When we bought it, the window rubbers were also good. They're not now. And the lady thought I was weird because I was like, oh, look at the window rubbers, they're mint. And she was like, yeah, you're a sad Land Rover guy. Then she was in a petrol station putting some diesel in it, and some other guy come over and commented on it and about how clean the window rubbers were on it. So right, I'll stop waffling on, go take the dog for a walk, and we'll get this in the garage. Not bad. Before I put it in the garage, I'm going to give the underneath a bit of wash off. Just have a look at the side steps and that, getting mud in my eyes. MOT tester's not going to like mud in his eyes, these are coming off. They are rotting. Give the engine bay a quick jet wash off as well. You can see where it's a horse yard one. Generally, it just gets loads of spider webs in it, and I'm going to jet wash all this off. I'm pretty sure the oil leak's coming from that cap. I'm going to order a new breather, new cap. That pipe is worn through, so I'm going to order another one of them as well. And yeah, I'm just going to quickly, like I say, this one's clean, so there's no hole there, so that means the footwells won't fill up with water. Just quickly going to jet wash all this off. There you go, what a difference. And a little product review. That stuff that I bought from Autodoc is like £2.50, just to bump the price up for the order. Actually, with an old dustpan brush and a quick scrub, doesn't do that bad. Okay, so you joined me a week later. Full-time job, being a parent, family guy, doesn't always go to plan. So I didn't get any videoing done because I've just been coming down here, getting an hour, 2 hours in every now and again in the evenings. It's got new air filter, new oil filter, new diesel filter, new oil obviously. The side steps are no more, cut them off, they're rotten. It's got rear shocks fitted in the back, new ones. Right, drives a lot better now. And preventative maintenance. With my camera, we'll pick that up, that there, and give me some light. There is a nick in it there, which you can't quite see. That's one of the rear heater hoses. So if you're ever underneath your truck, underneath the bonnet of your disco truck, checking the levels and stuff, always have a quick look around the hoses. Check they don't rub anywhere like around here, etc, etc. Yeah, that's where we're at. I'm just fitting the new hose on. That's what grabbed my camera while I remembered, and just fitting that rear hose on. Then I'm going to bleed it all up, and then we're going to go out for a quick test drive in it and give it back to the lady tomorrow. If anybody knows a trick to sort the alarm system out on these things, so you don't have to keep pressing the unlock button every time you want to start it, please put a comment in there, because it drives me absolutely crazy. It's the only disco, well, I know they all do it, but it's the only disco that's like in the fleet, as it were, that I'm about, that you've got to do it. All the other ones I've got, you don't got to do it. They've all got key fobs, the key fobs will work, but they don't immobilise themselves all the time. Well, this one does. So, been for a little road test in it, and the coolant level is all up to where it needs to be. Kind of gets up to temperature. So now it is a case of dropping it back to the lady tomorrow afternoon. Hopefully she's alright on it.